Are you dreaming of traveling the world, but worried about breaking the bank? In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks for traveling on a budget, so you can see the world without sacrificing your savings. First, consider budget destinations. There are plenty of beautiful and interesting places to visit that won't cost you an arm and a leg. Southeast Asia, Central America, and Eastern Europe are all popular budget travel destinations. Not only are these places affordable, but they also offer unique cultural experiences that you won't find anywhere else. Another way to save money is by choosing budget accommodations. Hostels, homestays, and couch surfing are all great options for travelers on a budget. Not only are these accommodations affordable, but they also offer the opportunity to meet other travelers and locals, and get a more authentic travel experience. When it comes to food, skip the fancy restaurants and try local street food instead. Not only is it usually more delicious, but it's also much cheaper. And if you're traveling with a group, consider buying groceries and cooking your own meals. This can be a great way to save money and bond with your travel companions. Transportation can be another major expense when traveling. To save money, use public transportation instead of taxis or rental cars. Buses, trains, and subways are usually much cheaper, and they can also be a great way to see the local sights and get a feel for the culture. Finally, don't be afraid to explore the local attractions. Many museums, parks, and cultural sites offer discounts or even free admission on certain days. And if you're interested in trying adventure activities, look for local tour companies that offer group discounts. By following these tips and being mindful of your spending, you can travel the world on a budget without sacrificing the quality of your experience. We hope this video has inspired you to start planning your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!